I recently posted a video on Patreon where I was talking about releasing to encourage more try. I'm on Sonita today, and I'm going to be using those same techniques that I talked about in that video, working her spin. A couple of things, just kind of generals that we can talk about. You notice I'm walking this circle. I want her to think about this circle, think about going around, stay in the circle. Leaving the circle is a not good place to be. She leaves the circle, I'm just going to be work. This is where I'm going to bring her back to. The good place to be, where she gets the reward, and by reward means we just walk around the arena, all pressure comes off, is when she steps around with effort. She has been really good about stepping in, stepping around with a circle, keeping her head and her body soft, and stepping around with a pretty nice footfall. She's by that I mean she's putting her feet in a good place. But it's time to ask for a little more effort. Let's start by just asking her to step around to the left. That's kind of been what she's given me. Now, I want to encourage more effort. So what I'm going to do is go back into that stepping around the circle. If she don't give me effort, we're going to trot out, trot work, and then come back into the circle. Like I said, the release is here when she steps with effort. And all I need is one step with effort to give her that release. So let's ask for that same thing again. Step around to the left. No effort there. Let's trot, lead, make it work. Make it feel like work. Lifting her back up, taking hold of her face. I'm working on her frame at the same time. So let's go back into here. Release into the spin. And a step or two with effort, we're going to walk out. Reward. You spin, if you kick to get your horse to go faster, you're going to start messing with the horse's body position, inverting their body, and you're going to end up messing up your spin. Now look at there, she's stepping around, and I didn't even ask for it yet. I'm going to give her a reward. All I did was go back into walking the circle. Now so even change things up, and let's work her stop a little bit. She asked for a trot. I was having a harder time getting her to go forward, and I tried cows on her and I got a lot better. Let's go another circle. Whoa. Okay. So I said whoa and nothing happened, so I picked my hand up. When I picked my hand up is when the foot stopped and slid. Let's just sit here a minute. I'll do it again. Push out. Pushing out of that really encourages her to use her back end in the stop. I'd like her to get a little more consistent before we ask for the lope. Whoa. Yeah, that one was pretty good. Helps her with a little bit with my hands. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to step down and I'm going to quit on that so she can kind of soak in and think about what happened. feel like I made good progress on my spin and good progress on the stop. So this is Sonita. I'll put a link here to her playlist on YouTube. Thank you for watching.